Very good morning, dear friends. Welcome to my channel Study Zone Assam. Dear friends, আজি আমি অসমৰ ৰাজনীতি বিজ্ঞানৰ ওপৰত কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট MCQs ডিসকাস কৰিম। তো আহক স্টার্ট কৰো। আমাৰ ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে In which year Assam Legislative Assembly came into force? কোন বছৰত অসম বিধানসভা কাৰ্যকাৰী হৈছে? অপচন কেইটা হৈছে অপচন A 1937, অপচন B 1930, অপচন C 1947 or অপচন D 1950. Right answer to hoise amar option A 1937. Next question to hoise in which year India government won the election in Assam? Kon bosorot India sarkare Assomot nirbachonot joyi hoisil? Amar option keta hoise option A 1991, option B 2021, option C 1996 and option D 2016. Right answer to hoise amar option D 2016. 2016 ot India sarkare Assomot nirbachonot joyi hoisile. Next question to hoise who was the first speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly? Assam Vidhan Sabhar prothom odyok kun asil? Option keta hoise option A Tajuddin Abbas, option B Haider Ali, option C Babu Basant Kumar Das and option D Numal Momin. Right answer to hoise amar option C Babu Basant Kumar Das. Next question to hoise in which year Legislative Council of Assam was first met? Kon bosorot Assam Vidhan Porishod prothome milito hoisil? Option keta hoise option A 1913, option B 1920, option C 1932 or option D 1917. Right answer to hoise amar option A 1913. Next question to hoise who was the first chief commissioner of Assam? Assomor prothom mukho ayukto kun asil? Amar option keta hoise option A Syed Mahzab, option B Gopinath Bordoloi, option C Robert Neil and option D Richard Harte. Right answer to hoise amar option D Richard Harte. Amar next question to hall in which year Nagaland came into being as a separate state? Kon bosorot Nagaland ekhon prithok rajyo hisabe ahisil? Amar option keta hoise option A 1962, option B 1963, option C 1961 and option D 1960. Right answer to hoise amar option B 1963. Next question to hoise in which year Meghalaya came into being as a separate state? Kon bosorot Meghalaya ekhon prithok rajyo hisabe ahisil? Option keta hoise option A 1962, option B 1973, option C 1972 and option D 1971. Right answer to hoise amar option D 1971. Next question to hoise who is the current speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly? Assam Vidhan Sabhar বর্তমানৰ অধ্যক্ষ কোন হয়? Amar option keta hoise option A Biswajit Daimari, option B Babu Basant Kumar Das, option C Prafulla Kumar Mohanto and option D Syed Ali. Right answer to hoise amar option A Biswajit Daimari. Next question to hall which is the largest district of Assam? Assomor আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ জিলা কোনখন হয়? Option keta hoise option A Karbi Anglong, option B Borpeta, option C Sibsagar and option D Nagaon. Right answer to hoise amar option D Nagaon. আজি ভিডিওৰ লাষ্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে what is the literacy rate of Assam? অসমৰ সাক্ষৰতাৰ হাৰ কিমান? Option A 17.17%, option B 72.19%, option C 70.10% or option D 59.68%. Amar right answer to hoise option B 72.19%. So friends, ikhini asile amar azir videot MCQs khini. Amar next question bilak ami eta notun topic or upor loi ahim. Apnar jodi amar video khon bhal lage thake amar channel to like subscribe koribo. Thank you so much.